Though the Indian government or the railway ministry has yet not announced any timeline or a specific date to run the India's first bullet train on Mumbai-Ahmedabad stretch, but there are a couple of important questions which are being answered from the top officials of the railway ministry. The first one is that we have got a clarification from the railway ministry that they are not going to run high-speed Vande Bharat train on bullet train tracks. So there were speculation that government is taking steps back, and it is likely that semi-high-speed train or Vande Bharat train that could run at an average speed of 220 kmph can be deployed, can be used on the bullet train tracks. But now Railway Ministry has clarified that there are no such plan, and this bullet train track will have the running of bullet train only. The second point is that the Railway Ministry is targeting to start the trial run of the first bullet train by 2026 end. So it is likely that by November or December in 2026 we can see that the first trial of bullet train taking place at least in the 50-kilometer section, which is Surat to Bilimura in Gujarat state. So that is the target of the Railway Ministry. And for the same, Railway Ministry is also targeting to import the first bullet train or this rake from Japan by mid next year. And this could be either E5 or either E10 Shinkansen bullet train. But there is high probability that E5 Shinkansen might be imported from Japan for the trial run. But when the commercial run will start, it will be totally an E10 Shinkansen bullet train that will have the commercial run. But government has clarified that yes, they are moving ahead aggressively to complete and to start the bullet train on Mumbai-Ahmedabad stretch, and the civil construction on 308 kilometers of route length, it has already been completed. The most critical part is 21 kilometers of undersea tunnel, which a major breakthrough has been achieved, that the two ends of the tunnel it has been opened up, and also the signalling tender has also been awarded by the Railway Ministry.